Hi, in this video I will show you how to add subtitles to video on Canva in 2025. Now in order to do that, you just need to head over to Canva and then create MP4 design. Head over here to your uploads and then click on upload files right here in order to upload a video that you want to add a subtitle. So for this one, let's head over to our videos and I'll head over and then choose in here in this video that I have uploaded recently. Now onto this video, you just need to head over and then choose size is according to your liking and then design it. Now, once you're done designing it, you just need to head over and then make sure to edit or select in here a part that you want to actually add a subtitle into. For this one, I'll head over and then split my actual playback right here into just around 20 seconds. And then onto this clip right here that I will select, I just need to head over and go to the captions part. So let's head over to the captions. You can find it on the application. So here's captions right here. If you can't find it, you can head over and then go to the apps section right here. So I have in here selected the first clip, click on this generate captions, and it will take some seconds for it to actually generate the captions for you. So just wait for a little bit. You're able to see in here the caption. So let's try to play it. And in here you can see the caption already playing and it changes up whenever it go over to this particular part of the slide. That's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.